Yo, what's good? How we doing, fam? We doing goody. Goody, goody, goody. Notes over here, my boy. Take my goose node. No. We got them jolts coming out. Jolts, baby. Got my notes over here. There we go. Errol. See what we got over here. Going up, going up. How do I delete all? Fuck it. Go here, little side action. Cool. Uh, Very nice. Surely. Surely. What up, my peeps? Oh, mate. Michael J. Windows update at the worst time. Of course. Always. Always happens at the worst time. It's gonna be watching price. Watching it. Yo. It's all time of day, baby. Come on. Come on. Need it. Teddy P. Teddy Pizzle. Mm. Four minutes, 30 seconds. Perfect. Pizzle, how we feeling today? Yeah, absolutely. If we get back above there. I like shorts if we get below the new week open gap. We got a nice fat gap right there on the 15-minute. So if we get below that, I like the short. But yes, I do like longs. I like longs even over 19,450. Feeling good. Yeah, I'm feeling good. I'm feeling chill. Feeling like a nice, good mood. Very chill. Very, very chill. I've realized that I do have a few moods. So locked, tilted, flat, juiced, mid, and then chill. So then from like the top going down is locked, juiced, chill, mid, flat, and then tilted. How I'm feeling that day. I got him leveled. We got an hour fair value gap right in here. If we go the old 1 hour chart, son of a bitch. 1 hour, nice fair value gap. You have the new day open gap, which is today's gap from the close of yesterday to this, hits off of it, bang. So you have a little gap right there. Clean. Now we're just kind of consolidating on it. What's IC Tism saying? Oh, hey. Firing off. Let's get rambling. Small open range gap, NFP week. So today is it for me. Yep. Yesterday's AM high would be buy side. Or yesterday's high, regular trading hours. Buy side, sell side at, yep. We're right in the middle of the range right now. I have both those noted already. 1949 would be yesterday's high, which I have it demoted as D because it's yesterday's fair value gap, and then the low at 283. So I already have both those on my chart. GG's. Job tie. Big block of data release at 10. What do we got? Oh, you do. You got PMI, JOLTS, ISM, and construction spending. Damn. Big block of data. You also have 945 news a little bit. Final manufacturing PMI. Little something, something. So you get a nice reaction off that dog right there. So the new day open gap, get a nice reaction. You also had a nice little reaction from here off the new day open gap. Traded lower. Now you're getting off here again. 1 hour fair value gap, trading lower. 5 minute fair value gap is going to be pretty big tell here. ES already took its out. We're looking at ES. New Day open gap as well. Hits it off there. Hits it right there with the little retrade. Trades down lower. Hits the breaker. Takes out sell side. It's a very clean setup for sell side. If that old New Day open gap wasn't there and I was on, I might have tried to get in sync with this. This trade down lower. But nevertheless, banging its head off of it. Ah, shit. I missed the fucking pedometers. Because I'm just yapping. Small opening range gap on ES. Small opening range gap on NASDAQ. Let's see what it wants to do. If we do get down below this NASDAQ right here, we can go for that sell side at 283. Small opening range gap. We can get into... It's a nice fair value gap from yesterday. What's that 5 minute look like? Yeah, so let's see the 15. So I'm looking at my regular trading hours chart. It's a fat boy fair value gap right here, which can be traded into 15 minute. If we go down to 5. So we'll be below that low. We also have PM session low. We're all moving in tandem with each other right now. NASDAQ's a little bit more reluctant to go down. Little bit. I think it's going to keep going lower, though. I think she'll keep going lower. YM's just dragging everything down. ES looking good to the downside. We'll see. Just tape reading till the old jobs claims come out, baby. Old J claims. Jabbes. We're back up here. Consequent encroachment hit, tagged right there. Got a little bit more buy side here you can take out. Right above the opening range gap, you can close this whole gap in. But we gotta get through this pretty handsomely. There we go. Takes out a little buy side right there. Bang. Trading inside the 1 hour fair value gap. The full gap closure already. I mean, small gap, so makes sense. Makes fucking sense. Nice reaction off there. Consequent encroachment, the middle of that 1 hour fair value gap, hits it to a T. Also with the 5 minute fair value gap right here. 5 minute reclaim fair value gap. Hits it again. So now we're back just inside the range here. So, all right, let's go back to my pedometer. Because I want to get this clicking every 5 minutes now. 5 minutes about to close here. First five. Little Doge here. Little Doge boy. Two hours. Yeah, 2 hours would be all right. Cool. All right, bet skis. All right, bet skis, bet skis, bet skis, bet skis. Very weird right now. Hard to navigate here. I do like lower. But what do we want to see? Train side in the wog now. Like I said, I do like lower price from here. Take out buy side real quick. And now we're making that quick extension lower. Breaker, you're trading into it right here. 1 minute. We'd rather see it stay below like really 19,390. $19,390. Don't get a first P yet. Don't get a first P. Get it on YM. YM looking like it's 1610 lower here. Yeah, I like ES lower. I like NASDAQ lower. Should run from around this area. See if it hits that. Oh, that's that 5-minute inversion to a T. That's so clean. So clean. Well, like to see heaviness. Of course. 1 minute breaker. Got to stay heavy. Yep. Come back up here, but still looks heavy. Come back up a little bit. Big tanks here. Big tanks. That 10 real quick. Ooh. Doesn't matter. Run it. $12. $15. $20. Damn. Aggressively trade lower here. Let's find out. A lot of back and forth so far. A lot of back and forth. Yeah. You stay below this. Nope. Cleared it. Close over it would ixnay me for sell side. I'm looking at this fair value gap here. That's why I liked 19,390. But we got to get a close over that. So that's a nice reaction from there. But it's still super deep retracement. Super, super deep. It's the opening range gap, consequent encroachment again. Yeah, big candles. Big candles. My boy KP. K Pizzle with the little 300 on the old Symbia. Yeah, no. Ixnay is the downside for right now. I'd have to see more information. Ixnay's old down skis. Just for right now. It's off Nadog again. So it's double hit up there. Can absolutely do it. Very permissible. But just high resistance. If you have levels that go back up and retest old levels like a reclaimed, so it hits it, extends off of it, goes back and hits it again, and then actually makes the real move. Those are the times that you don't want to see. Like the best markers will just hit it once and go. Super tough. That's when break evens happen. You get caught in a fucking. You get caught in a thing like that, man. Like that, man. Like Batman. Really want to take a sell there. Would be a nice sell. Very large retracement there. Just high resistance. High resistance. High resistance. And look, we close inside this fair value gap here. So the close of it was 19,393. I said if it closed over this, it would be a bad idea. But since it respected it, even though I had a huge wick above it, still very much permissible. ES trading lower now. ES definitely the weaker one here. Nice. A nice little tank from old ESKis. How you doing? Needs to aggressively trade below this order block. Aggressively. I mean that massive retracement here on this time frame. Ooh, sticky price, bro. Sticky price. First presented on yes. Trades right through it. Let's see if we can get even a close in it. NASDAQ back above that swing high. Just created there. This candle's the first candle that closed above this fair value gap here. Very tough read before news, baby. Very tough read. Glad I'm in nothing. Yeah, we're moving to minis. Yes. Let's say we want to take it from there to. Ooh, yeah, we're probably gonna move to minis today. Minis. Not trading top step accounts today. Gonna let those guys rot. Tough read still. Toughy. Is that Patty in the chat? Who else is in the chat here? A lot of back and forth here. Way too much back and forth. Very reluctant to go anywhere. Patty with the old high. Where's Grossberg? Get Grossberg on the call, baby. Little Grossby. Real moves coming at 10. Holding price here. We hold, baby. We hold. Takes out 930s high of SMT now with ES. So ES is making that lower high right here. NASDAQ's making the higher high. So ES will be the weaker one. NASDAQ is the stronger one. Now ES just took out some highs there. But still, we still have NASDAQ, ES. What does it want to do? Relative equal highs on ES. Probably about to get swiped. Yep. These highs on ES swipe. NASDAQ swipe. Patty, what are you thinking, bro? What's the word? Yeah, this price action is kind of shit for old T-Fred. Get yesterday's regular trading hours high. Coming in hot. Which is at about 19,490. Nice. Atta boy. So up 200 ticks on the day then. Yesterday's high if it wants it. I think it's most likely going to be up there now. What's that 5 minute look like? Looks like my butthole. My butthole. Nice fair value gap down here. Let's see it reaction there. You have the breaker. Low, high, lower, low. Breaks it. Fair value gap, breaker right here. This is going to be a nice fair value gap to see what it wants to do. You're also inverting the consequent encroachment. You also have the opening range gap high. A lot of good stuff right here to send it higher. It would have to go from there. 19,430. Lots of good stuff right there, boys. Lots of it. Lots of good price. I think she'll send it higher. Retest it again. Sender. $19,430 for the buy. That's 20 points right there. 80 ticks. $2,500 ticks. Grant, what up, big dog? How we doing? That first presented, bro. 19,430. Entries right in here. You had the breaker, fair value gap, drawing liquidity a little bit higher. So I like that a lot. It would have been 19,430. Would have been the entry. I'm just waiting until 10 o'clock news. But beautiful, beautiful, beautiful setup right there. Just have a lot of stuff. You have the 1 hour fair value gap, consequent encroachment, opening range gap high. We didn't get all the way down to it. But you got that 1 minute breaker, first presented fair value gap. See what it wants to do. Would have been stopped out at break even there anyway. Would have moved my stop loss up, but could just tank, or it could just go back down one more time, touch it, and then go higher. Off the propulsion block, which one? 942. Oh, Grant, out of boy. You still long? There's dough. There's dough. Meter rebalance on the 5. Let's see it go higher. 19,400. If it gets down there, that would be theoretical stop loss. Took a little 1 to 2. Out of boy. Out of boy. Nazi day. Nazi day. $19,490. That'd be the theoretical trade idea right there. But wait until news. I like that long from, like I said, from there. Showed a nice reaction after hitting it. Tanks down below it. Let's see what it wants to do here. It needs to rip higher now. Trades below this low. I don't think it's going to be good. I think it's more likely to then hit the stop loss. We get below that low. But I already had 100 ticks off of that. It's the New Day open gap. Bam, right there. Hasn't created a swing low yet, but New Day open gap. Oh. See what it wants to do. It just comes all the way back down. Cool. I think it's more likely to hit that theoretical stop loss. So, yep, there it is. And that's why you don't trade whatever. But damn, look at that reaction. Right on that SL. Damn. That reaction go crazy, dog. Tough read today, boys. Tough read. Toughy, toughy, toughy. Grant, you like trading after taking a win or what? You're gonna be trading the rest of the day, rest of the session. I don't know how long you trade for, but nice. I love it, bro. Yeah, win or loss. Yeah, I think more times than not, when I lose a trade, like I don't know why it works out like that. Maybe just I'm not seeing just the market well that day, but like when I see it again, there's more times than not that I end up taking another loss on top of that trade rather than breaking even on the day or making a little bit of profit. Yeah, for sure. Where does she want to go now? I mean, massive wicks here. I mean, this area is holding up pretty strong. We have no bodies even in this. Yeah, the 5-minute does, but 15-minute. Super strong in that area. ES as well, trading lower. Tough read right now. I got news coming out here. Back up to the first presented on Naz. Let's see if we can get a nice tank. Big Sean, you get into a trade, brother. No shot. He'd wait until 10 o'clock, 100%. I'd bet all the money that's in my funded accounts, which is like $0 at this point now. Yeah. Still waiting. Price pretty sloppy. I don't even know if I'm going to be getting into a trade where it's at right now. It doesn't look too appetizing. I'll tell you that. Yeah. Yeah, 50-50. A buy side, sell side, and a new week open gap cutting through price right here, and the new day open gap at the 50% of this range. Not fun. Not fun. Back up to first presented. Yep. Absolutely. First presented would be a good draw if we can get buy side first. Yep, S&T on both swing points. Absolutely. There's the news. Fucking gapped up on the news right there. Damn. A little gap up. Here we go. A little roller coaster. A little roly-poly-oly. Whee! Yeah. Wow, great roller coaster. Flat doji for the first 30 seconds. First minute, flat doge. Gap up, flat doge. Yeah, no, I like it lower. Inverted first presented. Gun to my head. I mean, it's so 50-50 right now. It's ridiculous. Yeah, if it's going to tank here, I don't want to see it go up higher now. I just want to see it just go one side. Yep, hour chart garb. I'd like to see it just tank. Keep going. Run, Forrest, run. Keep going. Little retracement here. Tank, 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 tank. Sell, 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 sell. Immediate rebalance in the 1 minute. Sell, 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 sell. He has to get back up into its first presented. We go to Eskies. We do a little something like this guy. Full screen action. First presents right here. Didn't quite get up to it. You have the Nadog here, but all this sell side's way too clean. High resistance because we already took it out. Big sweep here, but I think we're going to keep going lower. It shouldn't get back above this price right here. And I don't know why my first present's not showing on this. Copy. Paste to Reno. Yep, there you go. Yep, I don't think it has to get back above this. If it hits that, that's a fucking clean ass trade. Might not even get it. Inside the 5 minute breaker here on ES. High, low, higher, high. All this, like I said, it should stay right below this. Missed it by a tick. Oh, gets it. Banger. Should stay below that if it's good. It can wick outside of it. Give it a little mohawk. Gotta close inside of it though. Closure here in 7 seconds. Let's see. Oh, closed inside. So this wick can go all the way up here, then run all the way back down. As long as that candle closes bearish, we'll be chilling. Very cheap trade here. Crazy manipulation this morning. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Yep. Yes, respect. Look at that. Yeah. We said, give me that mohawk, boy. Give me that mohawk, boy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, skis. Great reaction. She'll want to run here. Just fucking tank. Order block right there. Bang, hits it. 1 minute order block. Should tank from there. Can also retest this because it's a very high resistance liquidity run day, but in a good market, it would just use this order block and go lower. Don't want to see it aggressively trade beyond this point. Still has to close inside the first presented here. Still a good sell. Reclaimed. Because reclaiming is permissible today. Which is pretty shit. High resistance as well. So might throw a little order on if it wants to shoot back up there. But it should just run. It just came all the way back up, hit the top side of it. Might throw a little guy on there if it comes back up into it. But I don't even want to see it come back up into it. Little boy, little boy. Like I said, I might throw a little boy on. Price level's at 32.25. A tiny risk if it comes back up there. Tiny risk. But I like to see it just drop off the table here. Just drop. There you go. There you go. GG's. That's what we call that old first presented turned on its head. Love to see it. Love to see it. Check out sell side. TP would have been schmacked. Was going to get into it. I had the order set already planned out. If I would have stabbed up one more time, would have went into it. First P is nice. First P is nice. Time's permissible. First P is nice. Off the breaker too. 5-minute bodies. Oh, that was clean. Hold. It got me thinking. Can I be the problem? You might be the reason. True. Garbage. Yes, sir. Man, I'm stanky. I am stanky. Tank boy, tank. She's going. She's a runner. She's a track star. She gonna run the way. She gonna get high. All right, let's see this bad boy here. I think we're gonna get to the Newick Open Gap, but we gotta get below this. Yeah, I definitely should have taken that first P. I was going to. That stab higher. Inside that 5-minute breaker, that was fucking clean. That was a clean boy. It was the weaker one too. Very nice. Very nice. Ninja. Ninja fucks you up. A ninja. Happens, bro. Happens, bruv. We'll figure it out. We'll get there. We'll get there, bruv. Your man's never do no wrong. Waffle. Nice. Yes, little Tankerson. Little tank boy. Little tank pace. Newick Open Gap. Ten a.m. Market started moving. Really, that 950 macro is just like, damn. I'm looking back at it, it's like, oh shit. Yeah, up, down, buy side taken. Relative equal highs first presented. Damn. It's nasty. Real time, that's tough. That is tough, real time. Tough. Your miss never do no wrong. Toffee. Damn. So he's just falling off a table, my boy. Falling off a table, my boy. Thing going crazy. Thing going crazy. Chin don't cut. Chin don't cut. Nice little retrace here on the 5-minute, 15-minute fair value gap high. Body's laying on it. Super, super nice. Let's go down to the old Nazi D. Nuwag. Missed that. Should have gotten that. Just missed her there. Breaker. High, low, higher, high. Wasn't even looking at that. I was looking at ES. Left to relative equal lows. Oh, that's fucking dirty. That's fucking dirty, bro. That's a dirty 30. Dirty 30-point move. A little dirty 30. 3, 2, 6, 7, 5. Tough to follow. It's at 28 even. Oh, that's not bad. I dig it. If we can get up there. I mean, I don't know if we're going to even touch it, but where's the stop loss? At the other side of the Nuwag. I mean, I like it. I'll take it. Nuwag, relative equal lows. ES still has a little bit of ways to go. Sell limit. Need me to rebalance on the 5. Buy stops back up above that order block. Take profit will be down there if we can get it. I don't think we will, though. It's good. It won't even do it. Really a 5-minute fair value gap, too. Wants to just mess around for the next 2 minutes before going lower. That'd be great. What we got here? Yes. NASDAQ. Yeah, 2-minute Fairview up in that bit. Up in that bit. Up in that, up in that, up in that bit. Just mess around there for another 2 skis. I'll take a little sell guy. Got right here is this boy. Down to 80. Little 1 to 1.8. If it wants to get back up there. If it don't, it's all good, my boy. I'd like it to. Give me another chance. Give me another chance. Give me a chance. If it's TP1, I'll be not getting into it though. A 5-minute Fairview should be decent. Come back up for a brother. Come back up for a brother. Take out that swing high. Before going lower. Ah, there she goes. Ah, wasn't a dog. Or Nawag. Still intact. I don't think it's going to come back up, though. 1020. That'd be wild if it does. Would be in fucking sane. Stopped lowered. Little last leg. There she goes. Damn. GG's. GG's on that low run. Clean. Clean run. Very nice 10 o'clock run. Very, very nice. 950 to 1010. There you go. How you doing? How you doing? Clean after all that garbage when that news came out. Oh, man. Just dirty. Dirty, dirty, dirty. Yeah, I wanted to get in short up here. Damn! That thing's tanking, man. Tanking. After taking these lows out, I can come back up into this 15-minute fair value gap and keep going lower. I just took those lows out before taking this out. If it comes back up in here and starts selling off, then I'll probably hop on to a sell here. But yeah, let me back up real quick. Let's go back. Might be a little long, boy. I'd like to see it at least get down like in this area and then retrade back up into that fair value gap and then trade lower. Can IO Fed there in the 15 and still go lower, but I wouldn't like that as much. I like to see some more candles print. TP one hit. Daniel. ES was a nasty. Five-minute close. on the Nawag after taking sell side. 15-minute favy from yesterday. Favy. Still got PM session low here. Just took a little screenshot of that descend lower. But man, was that clean on EF. Consolidation, manipulation for these highs. You have this high over here as well. These highs trade up into a dog, trade lower, low risk sell, and then bam, dude, try to get in sync there. And it's just like, wasn't too quick to the punch. Wasn't realizing what was happening at that point. Buy side was already taken. Draw was down here. Yeah, it would have been nasty. Yeah, I would have taken it off first presented as well. Just or off the Nawag. Just fucking hit it too quick. Wanted to see if it could get a little retrade into there, but never did, so fuck it. Fuck it. Uh. 2022 model, full swing. First presented 2022. How about it? Damn! Shit was dirty. Was a dirty 30. Bum ba da bum 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 bum. All right, where can this thing go still? I got ES, NASDAQ, NASD off of a 1 hour. 15-minute close in 2 minutes. I like it to stay below it. I mean, I do think it's going to keep going lower. You have the breaker right here. High, low, higher, high. Trading inside of it right now, I do think we're going to keep extending down lower for this area. I just don't want to see it get all the way up into 19,400. I'd rather not see it. Nice reaction from there. I'd rather not. Not see it. Yeah, on ES, I think we'll take out PM's low of yesterday. So if we go ES here. PM session low yesterday. It's at 145. All the other lows at 1 are not lower, so. Great low, great low. I mean, how's that reacting with this 15-minute Fairvy? We'll go fuck here. Here. 15. Not doing too hot. 5-minute fair value gap right there. I want to see your fold. Want to see her fold over. Full minute. Yeah, I mean, that was a sell for sure. That was it. Right in that first P. Inside that 5-minute breaker. Hits it to a fucking thick, bro. That shit was nasty. I literally was tapering it the whole time. So I'm like, nope, it's going to go out a little bit here. It's going to trade through. It's going to close inside. And then just hangs. And I'm like, fuck. The next candle gives these. This kind of surprised me. Really. Error copy paste. Oh man. Trading. How about it? Oh, you didn't get one in the AM. You didn't get one at 8 a.m., huh? All right, KP. Peace, dog. Peace, dog. Peace out, Pizzle. Do no wrong if I'm so awful. Oh, I might be it. It might be it for me today. I don't know. 15-minute IO Fed right there. I like it to sell. I'll be honest. Yes, and there's that. As a D, 15-minute IO Fed as well. Yeah, I mean, you're at the breaker. It's a 5-minute breaker, 15-minute breaker, IO Fed. I mean, if you see it going lower, the TP1's already been hit, which is tough. Like, if that did that before TP1 was hit, I'd be like, yo, that's my shit. I'd be like, yeah. Bro. Damn, that was so fucking clean. Mm. Oh man, I fucking stink. I'm sweating a little bit. I gotta start turning this fan on, bro. It's getting hot. Yeah, I mean, we did just stab into that in a walk, dude. We did just stab down below that. Like, if it does want to come down lower, I might take this 2022 model lower. Can fuck around here for a little bit. Another 15 minutes, really. Just kind of print candles, then run again. Ounce. Bounce it, bounce it. I'm about to throw a couple thousand. Bounce, bounce it, bounce it. Work your way up to the big face, hun. It's just bounce it. Oh man, it's gotta stand up. Oh, exploding up higher. Don't even get a run below those. No shot. We go for the highs, right? Market's not even good looking. It ain't even looking good anymore, boy. Get the avocado. Damn crazy run. $11. Symbol. .075. Damn, this thing's flying, bro. Taking out that old high. We're running. Damn. She's a runner. She's a track star. She be running. She be running down the mountain when she comes. She be running down the mountain when she comes. She'll be taking out old highs. She'll be taking out old lows. She'll be taking out old highs when she comes. Damn. Crazy. Crazy move right there. Nice. That's crazy. Just takes out that old high, bro. And now it's tanking everybody with their stop losses. Insane. So crazy. T. Well, I think that's it for me today, boys. I'm gonna be honest. I'ma be honest. Let's just be real. But all right, boys. Peace.